Hot words in the news. Statue of Liberty arrives in U.S. 140th anniversary, June 17th. Related words. Crate, crate. Assemble, assemble. Independence, independence. On June 17, 1885, the Statue of Liberty arrived in New York City Harbor in 350 pieces, packed in over 200 crates. It took more than 1 year to assemble and was first shown to the public in October 1886. The statue was a gift from France to celebrate the 100th anniversary of U.S. independence and the friendship between France and the U.S.